The internet has sold you a massive, highly profitable lie. You have been explicitly told that to get rich, you need to be glued to a six-monitor trading desk, reading Japanese candlestick charts, trading leveraged crypto options, and trying to predict what the Federal Reserve is going to do on a random Tuesday morning. It's exhausting, it's highly stressful, and for 99% of retail day traders, it ends in massive, devastating financial losses. The reality: the wealthiest people I know don't do any of that garbage. They use a strategy that is so unbelievably boring, most people ignore it entirely. But it is mathematically proven to beat the top Wall Street professionals over a 20-year period. It's called broad market index fund investing. And if you give me just a few minutes, I'll show you exactly how doing absolutely nothing can mathematically make you a millionaire. Here's the fundamental problem with picking individual stocks. You are trying to find the needle in the haystack. You buy a single company thinking it's the next Apple or Tesla, but it turns out to be the next Blockbuster Video or Enron. You are taking on massive concentrated risk. An index fund is entirely different. Instead of trying to find the needle, you just buy the entire haystack. When you buy an S&P 500 index fund, you are taking your money and automatically spreading it across the 500 largest, most profitable, highly vetted companies in the United States. With one click, you get a tiny piece of Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Nvidia, and 495 others. If one of those companies mismanages their business and goes bankrupt, it drops out of the index, and a new, highly successful company takes its place automatically. It is a brilliant self-cleansing system. You don't have to read quarterly earnings reports. You don't have to watch financial news networks. The index does all the heavy lifting for you. And the math behind this is the closest thing to actual magic that exists in finance. It's called compound interest. Let's look at the raw numbers. Let's say you invest just $300 a month. You put it in an S&P 500 index fund, which historically averages about a 10% annual return over the long term. In the first year, it doesn't look like much. You make a little bit of interest. It feels incredibly slow. But in year two, you make interest on your initial money, plus you make interest on the interest you earned in year one. Your money starts having babies, and then those babies have babies. Fast forward 30 years. You only put in $108,000 of your own hard-earned money out of pocket. But because of the snowball effect of compound interest, your account balance is sitting at over $680,000. Over $500,000 of that is purely free money generated by the growth, innovation, and labor of American businesses working on your behalf while you sleep. But here is the absolute catch. The system only works if you do the hardest thing in the human psychological playbook: absolutely nothing. When the market crashes by 20%, and I promise you it will crash, the average amateur investor panics. They let fear take over and they sell everything at the absolute bottom. They lock in their losses and destroy their wealth. The index fund millionaire looks at a massive market crash as a fire sale. They keep buying. They automate their investment so that $300 leaves their checking account on the first of every single month, whether the market is at all-time highs or bleeding out. You do not need a high IQ to get wealthy in the stock market. You do not need inside information, and you definitely do not need to predict the future. You just need to buy the top 500 companies, automate your monthly contributions, remove your ego, and go live your life. Get rich the boring way. It's the only way that actually works. Staying consistent with these boring but proven strategies is a highly effective, data-backed approach to building generational wealth.